Hey guys, so I am out here in Carson City, Nevada at the North Loop Trail. It's about 11 o'clock on Saturday, and Saturday the 11th of April, and there is a ton of people out here. I didn't expect it to be this busy, but that's kind of a good thing, that people are getting out and that they're, getting out of the house and getting some recreation. Just a kind of a example here as to what you're looking at. There's a bunch more people down the way, but anyways, yeah, this is my second hike here on the series and just kind of going around. I wanted to do something that's kind of out of the way. I thought I would be kind of alone or not, not this busy, but I guess it just goes to show that you're never really alone, especially not out on the trail. There's always somebody around. So this is the I'm going to do two trails. I'm going to go and do the first one. It's a loop. It's called the North Loop. It's 3.1 miles. It's not even 700 feet ascent. So it's going to be pretty, good for a start. And then I'm going to hit the connector trail, which is the Dead Truck Canyon Trail. And that is only 1.7 miles, but that's one way. So I'm going to double back. The prison is to my left, and we're actually in the prison recreation area, or the prison sort of a land set aside right next to the prison. And then sort of, I'm guessing it's up there somewhere, is called Prison Hill. So hoping to get some miles out here and sort of see how this plantar fasciitis and the insoles for the plantar fasciitis work out. But yeah, I'll strap this GoPro to my chest and walk around, and we will see what we see. So I'm doing the North Loop. Took a wrong turn and went about a quarter mile on some sand trail. This place has trails all over the terrain, so walked back, and now I'm going the right way. But it's actually really nice out here. Pretty darn warm, and there's a couple of roots. So I'm gonna try to get on the right trail this time, and I'll see how that goes. I forgot my trekking poles. I don't know how I do that, but I seem to. So, oh well, really came in handy here. But I guess I need to build that cardio up anyway. So let's do this. Well, I just got to the intersection to actually go onto the trail. Well, part of the trail, the actual loop of it, and it's a little bit more of a climb than I thought. I was surprised initially when I took that wrong left and thought that was really quick. How wrong I was. But the views are nice. But you definitely do work for it. Okay, so that was the North Loop, and now I think I'm gonna go and do the other one here and enjoy these views. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do the hard way, and it's gonna be mostly uphill climb, but I'm hoping to get some good pictures, so we'll see. Hey guys, so this has been a really good day so far. The first trail got a little sidetracked on, but I got back on it, made decent time, and I'm on the other trail now. And over there, up there, all throughout up there, they are trying to escape route mile 2. I've done all 5 so far. But anyways, there's some people up there practicing their mountain climbing skills, which I have not seen that before. Granted, it's not a lot. It's just a small set of boulders up there, but it looked like they were having fun. It looked like they were, you know, getting their practice in. I didn't really think that anybody would be doing that out here. I didn't really think I'd be getting or interacting with that many people, but I've seen a dozen people at least. Mountain biking, some day hikes and walking their dog, and mountain climbers, everything. So this has been much more eventful. I got some good pictures of Job and Job's Peak through some pictures, some rocks in the foreground. So it's really cool. I mean, so far so good. It's been really fun hiking out here. I just, again, I did not think there were going to be so many people out here, but it is a gorgeous day. It's in the 60s. You don't need any, you know, jackets or anything. You'd be boiling if you were. But all in all, this has been really great. I'm glad I've done these trails. They're pretty moderate. They're decently well kept. They're decently well marked as well. And actually, they're really well marked. So I would definitely say that these are good trails. They're a little bit of a hike, so you do need to be in a little bit of shape to do these, or take extra time if you're not. But overall, yeah, this has been really positive. And I'm going downhill now. I'm going the opposite way on this, I think it's Dead Man's Truck trailhead. So going back, I'll be going up all the way. Oh well, but you know, that's kind of how I do things. I do things the hard way, so I guess I'll just stay the course of my doing it the hard way. So anywho, I will touch back with you guys later. Bye. Well, it's not every day you get to see this. Wow, a bunch of rocks in here. Wonder if they were stealing gold or something. Roll down the mountain. Wow. I'll be damned. Even out here, it's not boring. So I'm gonna give you a quick tour here. Trail's right here, comes down, and you get this sort of oddity here. Get this guy. Just here, looks like probably several decades or more. A couple of mountain bikers passed by, were commenting on it. Said that they had been by here a few times but hadn't ever seen it. They missed it. But yeah, I don't know. Kind of neat. Okay, so I think I really did make a kind of a little bit of a mistake. This is gonna be harder than I thought. Down there, that is where all that cloud covering, you see those vehicles maybe way down there, there's a road. That's where this trail starts. I'm going down. So I'm gonna have to come back up on the way back, and it's nothing but ascent. So yeah, and my right knee is feeling it really good with the IT band syndrome. I need to do my exercises more because it's humming a little bit. I could see if I was up on Mount Job and coming down, I'd be in real trouble. So I'm gonna have to do my exercises, and I'm probably gonna have to grab my knee brace going forward, just so I can make sure that I'm gonna be okay and see if that works. I've never really tested it extensively, so I guess this will be a good weekend to see what works, what doesn't work, how I feel, how I don't feel, and get some miles in. And some good news is, though, my plantar fasciitis in my left foot, so I got the right knee's a bum a little bit, left plantar fasciitis, left foot's bum a little bit. The left foot's feeling okay. I think these insoles do pretty well work. I'm not sure if the Dr. Scholl's would be better. I've got the Super Feet in right now, so those insoles are giving me some of that plantar fasciitis protection. It still hurts, Still some pain, but I don't know. We'll have to see how it goes. Especially when I get back on the 1.7 back and then walk to the truck and call it a day. We'll see how it goes and feels. So far, I notice it. So I'm not healed yet. I'm not done yet. I got some more to do, got some more to go, but we shall see how I fare. And yeah, I'll see you back down at the trailhead. Hey guys, so this will give you a good example, or literally a picture of what I've done today, or what I'm going to do. So I started out here and I went all the way up. Actually, kind of went over here a little bit by accidentally, and then said, oh crap, came back, then came all the way up. Then I went and did all this trail, did not go on the connector, came around, and then you're supposed to go from this trailhead all the way up, but I was already here, so I said, you know what, I'll do it the hard way. I'll go the opposite way and back. So I've already come down, I'm here, and I'll go back up, all the way up, finish up at the truck, and that should be right about 7 miles or so, and we'll see how that feels. So real moment, y'all. I have had some altitude sickness or something, or I'm just that bad and out of shape because well, for one, I got a little lightheaded, almost passed out a little bit back there. Still on this trail, haven't really gone a mile yet, I don't think. But this young woman, she just walked right past me both ways. She was going down as I was coming back, and she stopped, took a picture or two, and just breezed right on by me. And I've been having to stop every 10 or so steps and catch my breath and drink some water. So I don't know if I'm really that bad out of shape, or if I also am just tired, or if I also have some altitude sickness. So I guess I'll need to definitely do better on my cardio. So I'll get back, but it's gonna take a lot longer than I wanted to and had hoped. And my knee hurts and my foot hurts, so I'm gonna take a long time getting back. Peace.
I'm going to go ahead and give everybody an overview of the hikes that I completed today, along with mileage, ascent, and level of effort. So here we have Carson City, and just off to the southeast are the 2 trails. These are great for day hikes. They are well established, they are well trafficked, they are well marked. So this is really good for a good day hike, or if you wanted to go and do some trail running, they'd be great for that as well. So finding the trailhead wasn't difficult at all, just using the app. It opens Google Maps pretty darn easy. And then once you start going up the hill from the trailhead, you will just branch off to the left and you will go ahead and complete the trail. I will say there's a lot of mountain bike trails and other trails that intersect, and they overlap quite a lot. So you don't actually have to take this if you don't want to. There's a lot of other little trails there that make it really fun, and you can really mix it up. And then once you're finished with that, you'll have the option of just going back down the mountain, or you can keep going, and then you can use the other trail for the Dead Truck Canyon Trail. Now, you're really going backwards on this one at this point. You're supposed to really start here at the trailhead, and it's only 1.7 miles. But I will say that only 1.7 miles, it is a pretty good climb. It really is. Going back, I had a lot of trouble because I didn't stay hydrated, and roughly right about 3/4 of the way, I had to take a lot of breaks. So just definitely make sure to keep your hydration levels up. make sure you pace yourself and you should be fine. They are really good day hikes, and they're really pretty nice, scenic as well. The North Canyon, or the North Loop, was 3.1, so altogether it was just a little under 7 miles, but it was definitely worth it. It was a fun day hike, so if you are in the area of Carson City and you want a quick couple of hikes or just one hike, something that's not too strenuous, I would say these are definitely moderate, not necessarily strenuous, but moderate in terms of intensity. Go ahead and give these a shot. I think you'll like them, and I don't think you'll have any problem. Just make sure you bring your water. But yep, if you're in Carson, definitely look these up.